I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. So today I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. So let's say you don't want your clock to be in the shape of a sun. That's okay, they have other options. If you scroll, there are plenty of pages, different sizes, different shapes of many things that you could turn into a clock. They even have a pre-made clock form with the hole already in the center. They're making it really easy for you. I'll list everything I used in the description below, so let me show you how I made it. Do you hear it tick? After making this and seeing how easy it was, and it only took me 2 days, I am gonna make a lot more clocks. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you go ahead and make a clock of your own, please tag me at MaddCrafty so I can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for a lot more crafts. See you next time!